Wait a second. Wait a second.
Yeah.
What's that say? O-W-E-N. So who's this one for?
Owen's.
Owen.
Owen, you got the same line like this. You have a straight line.
Ethan, that means yours is still hiding somewhere.
Hey, we have the puzzle of this, right?
Yeah.
Guys.
Noah's Ark? You better go look for yours. Where do you think yours is hiding? Did you find it?
Yes.
What did the Easter Bunny bring you?
Oh my goodness. What is
He
that?
brought me this one too.
Yeah.
What? Is this yours?
I got this. I got it one from a store too.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Look what I could put.
What's in there?
What else? Pull that basket out.
This?
What's that box behind it?
The Christmas one. Oh, look at these sunglasses.
Let me see it. That looks great, Ethan.
Bounce, bounce.
Pop, pop.
Dancing? Dancing, mommy.
I have some clover for our lunch.
Happy Easter, Owen. And happy Easter, Ethan, too.
Goodness, look at all this stuff that he brought you.
Those cows, there's a mommy and a baby and they kiss.
Play in the grass.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
I mean, I assume.
More you want more? Okay, let's do more. Here.
Good morning, sunshine.
Mommy, I got some
Here,
candy
another one?
too.
You did?
How about this one?
Let me
Look.
see. I should have put these
I
closer
can
together.
open it. I
Huh?
can open it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Happy Easter, Ethan.
Happy Easter, Mommy.